right, the girls just picked up their lunch for Monday and Tuesday, so this is 2 days worth of food. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna put this down for a minute. Okay. All right, we've got strawberry Pop-Tart, orange juice, another orange juice, the cheese. Oh, we have pretzels today. That's a first. Have you guys got pretzels before? That must be what the cheese is for. An apple, white milk. Oh, and pizza. Have you guys got this pizza before?
No.
That's a first. Another white milk. Cocoa Puffs. Yeah, if you see back here, this is all the juices they got like last week that they're a little behind on drinking. And an orange. Oh, and our usual bag of carrots. All right.
So, things around school for these juices?
You mean they like them? What?
Yeah, I don't like the juices.
All right, looks like this is pretty much the same. Another pizza, another Pop-Tart, orange juice, white milk, Cocoa Puffs, pretzel, apple, another orange, carrots, and orange juice. All right, so this is Abby's lunch for 2 days. Looks good.